Do you have problems modeling female anatomy, face and hair? Are you ready to learn how to make a realistic high-poly model, leather, clothes, weapons and everything only in ZBrush fast and efficient? Then I welcome you to Nextut Education's Female Character Creation in ZBrush course. My name is Nico and I'm a 3D character artist for games for about 10 years now. I have worked for numerous games and currently work for one of the world's most famous game companies, Gameloft. By the end of this course, you'll be able to model good-looking female characters with clothes, accessories and weapons in ZBrush from start to finish. In this course, we'll be covering topics such as sculpting the female head, sculpting the female body, refining the head and body with skin detail, making clothes and belts, making a sword and a dagger, making the hair with fiber mesh, poly painting the character, posing the character, rendering the character with passes, composing a final render in Photoshop. We'll start by spending 30 minutes to customize our workflow in ZBrush so we could work much faster and efficient. Then we will make the female head, where I will explain what you should watch for in a female head modeling. Then we will make a placeholder hair and we will make the teeth and eyes from scratch. After that, we'll make the female body again from sphere, following our concept. After we are done with our female body, we'll start making the 3D sketch of the model to get the correct placement of all our accessories and clothes. This is a pretty important stage, in the end of which we'll have a pretty good idea how our model will look when it's finished. Then it will be time to start extracting clothes, belts and other pieces of clothing. After that, we'll start refining all those things that we have made and the model will start to look pretty good. Then it will be time to do the dagger and the sword separately and add them to the scene. Once we are happy with the overall look of our character, I will show you how to make good hair with fiber mesh in ZBrush. Finally, we will pose the character, export render passes from ZBrush and compose a final beauty render in Photoshop. I have designed this course for intermediate 3D modeling students who want to model beautiful looking production ready female characters for games, but they struggle to get it because they don't find a tutorial, which is step by step, no fast forward, no skip, and coming from a production artist who is doing this for years. The course is also for artists who want to speed up their workflow in ZBrush and improve their skill in making female anatomy, hair, clothes and accessories. This course is not designed for absolute ZBrush beginners, so I expect you to have some sort of ZBrush experience. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there isn't any risk to enroll in this course. So if you want to model production-ready female characters, enroll now and take your skills to the next level. Don't forget that investing in yourself will pay for the rest of your life. So see you in the next video of this course.